In today's video, I'm going to reveal my entire income stream portfolio. From renting a small bedroom off my friend to owning a 5-bedroom house worth over $1 million, owning the car of my dreams, and traveling whenever I want, I'm living the life that my younger self could only dream of living. But look, I'm going to tell you something most people will not. Diversifying your income can be seriously detrimental to your overall wealth growth, especially if you're only just getting started. I don't suggest you have more than one income stream if you're not already making at least $10,000 a month through one income stream. If you diversify too quickly, you're going to spread yourself way too thin and you're not going to succeed at anything that you're doing. Because in reality, and I know I've used the keyword in the title, but I'm sorry to break it to you, passive income doesn't really exist. Because quite frankly, I had to work my arse off to get to where I am today, and that's the painful truth. And at the end of this video, I'll explain to you what I believe is the most lucrative income stream that you can start right now as a beginner if you are not yet making $10,000 per month. So let's start with my businesses and my first income stream, which is my marketing agency, which is the Affluent Agency. Now, that is a multi-platform digital marketing agency based in the UK that specializes on working with e-commerce businesses, which are companies that sell products online, like Amazon, like ASOS, like Gymshark, and our sole goal is to generate them more revenue per month. In return, they pay us thousands upon thousands on a monthly basis in commission checks and also service retainer fees. Income stream number 2 is another business. This actually was born in the wake of the success of that marketing agency. I had a lot of people asking me, other agency owners, how we were scaling so quickly, how we were generating such incredible results. I very quickly started running out of time. I can only help so many people physically myself. And so I decided to create an info-based product, an online course that would teach people the systems that we were using in our agency. That has now developed to a done-with-you mentorship program with an online course attached to it. We've taken over 2,500 agency owners within that from all over the world. We've helped so many people scale their marketing agencies. Again, incredible business, love it to pieces. Income stream number 3, a session mastermind. It's a high ticket mastermind product, which we have physical meetings, physical seminars with agency owners who are already making minimum 20K a month, or agency owners in there making 200K a month. We help them scale even further because the opportunity came when I recognized we're teaching so many beginners in the Affluent Academy business, but we're making 6 figures on a monthly basis with our agency. So I've got all these high-end strategies that I'm not teaching to beginners because they're not applicable to a beginner, right? Getting from 0 to 10K is completely different to getting from 10K to 100K, completely different processes. So I wanted a place where I could teach already successful agency owners the latest strategies that we're using in our marketing agency, and hence we launched a session mastermind. Very, very recently we hosted our first event. If you're interested, you're a successful agency owner, go check that out. Number 4 is another business, and it is Learn Ads. Now, what I recognized, learnads.io, what I recognized and what I saw from feedback from our thousands of customers is that people were like, okay, great, now I know sales systems, now I know how to scale a business, how do I get results? And so we're like, man, like I can't keep putting out YouTube videos, I haven't got the time to be putting out YouTube videos teaching people the results. We need a product that's going to teach people that. And so we created an entirely separate business that just teaches agency owners and business owners how to run ads on social media platforms, and hence Learn Ads was born. So that is all 4 of our businesses, and you can notice it's a very natural progression. Each of those businesses was born from ideas that would only exist if we had the previous. Opportunity breeds opportunity in that sense. So moving on from our core businesses, income stream number 5 is referrals. And referrals are something that only come from having an audience or an awful lot of customers. We get emails, personal emails, every single day from people that are asking for services that I can't physically fulfill for them. Let's say someone sees I've got a YouTube channel, so they email in, they say, hey Jordan, do you offer a video editing service, or do you know a video editor? And I say, do you know what? I don't offer that myself, but I know a really good video editor. I make an introduction, and then that person uses that video editor, and I take 20% off the top of whatever they charge as a referral fee. Now I get that for all kinds of different services. People might ask me for graphic design, people might ask me for website design, and I've got a whole bunch of people on a database that I just refer them to, and I take anything from 10 to 50% in some cases as a referral fee. That is true passive income, but I would only have that as an income stream because of the other businesses. And if you haven't got a referral system set up and you do have loads of customers or a personal brand, you really need to get that set up, because all you have to do is send an email out. I don't even have to send those emails myself. Income stream number 6, it's closely related to referrals actually, is affiliate marketing. Let's say I'm approached by a software product, like Wix, for example, I've done affiliate marketing for before, the website creator. They say, Jordan, I'd like you to create a video on YouTube, and in return, we're gonna give you, let's say, 40% of the subscription fee for everybody that signs up using the link in your video. Most of those affiliate fees come from our training programs where we recommend softwares that we personally use in our marketing agency, hence we recommend those to our students as well, and we take an affiliate fee from that. But we've also got a bunch of different videos on YouTube for products and services that we use ourselves. And what's really important if you ever get into affiliate marketing is you only advertise products that you genuinely believe in and you genuinely use yourself. You do not want to be advertising or affiliating for products that you do not use and that you haven't looked into, because you're gonna kill your brand, you're gonna lose the trust of your audience, it's just gonna be a bad idea. That's why I turn away 99% of software companies that come to us and ask us to do affiliates, because I don't use them. If I want to affiliate for someone, I'll reach out to them myself. But affiliate marketing can be incredibly lucrative. I've made millions of dollars from affiliate marketing over the last 4.5 years. Number 7 is sponsorship. So sponsorships are a little bit different to affiliate marketing, because obviously I started this brand on YouTube where we have an audience. Respect to you all. If you're not subscribed, subscribe and turn your notification bell on. I appreciate each and every one of you genuinely. Sponsorships come when it's a little bit different to affiliate. So instead, let's say a company comes to me and they say, Jordan, I want to give you 10K to create a video for me on YouTube. Again, we will only do this with companies that we use ourselves. And normally this comes with some kind of affiliate hybrid as well, so they'll pay like 10K upfront for a video, and then they'll also pay an ongoing fee. One of the top social media platforms we've had sponsorship program with for a number of years now, they have paid me just alone well over $500,000 just from sponsorships, from deals that we have. And the most amazing thing is we actually use their social media platform, so we don't really have to do anything. We just have to speak nicely about them, and I would speak about them nicely if I wasn't paid by them anyway. Cheers. You know who you are, but you also know that you're making millions from me. Number 8 is YouTube AdSense. Now, they will pay more or less depending on the quality of the audience. Fashion-based content or travel-based content, you're gonna be paid a really low CPM. CPM is how much money you're getting paid per 1,000 views on a video, right? Business, entrepreneurship is like literally one of the best. I've made over 250,000, over $250,000 from YouTube AdSense inside on the channel. So YouTube can be incredibly lucrative. You imagine I'm putting out one video every single week. Now, it's not easy to get YouTube paying you that amount of money, right? I have put in work every single week for years. 4.5 years I've been running this YouTube channel. And every single week I've been putting out content. And not just putting out, recording a video, but you're planning the content, you're doing the thumbnail, you're building out infrastructure and hiring a team of video editors, content manager, and so on and so forth. There are so many things that go on behind the scenes to make that a reality. But it's undeniable that YouTube AdSense is an incredibly lucrative, but not passive income stream because of the work you have to do to actually continue putting out those videos. The final income stream I want to tell you guys about is investments, okay? Number 9 is investments. It's really important that if you're making all this money, if you're starting a business, if you've got income coming from anywhere, then you're not just leaving that money to sit in the bank. Now, I do think it's important to stack capital in your business account so you have it as a reserve to reinvest constantly in the business, into advertising, into team members. Never be shy in reinvesting back into your knowledge, and you never know too much. But also other investments as well, okay? Like capital investments. Things like this house. I would be shocked if it hasn't gained 8 to 10%. Okay, the market is going absolutely crazy right now. That's a very big return on this house, just compounding and growing. Okay, so real estate is a great thing to invest in. I'm stacking a lot of capital at the minute for more investments. I'm investing an awful lot of money in cryptocurrency. I've also lost a lot of money in cryptocurrency, but that's a story for another time. I've got 2 watches at the minute, but I'm waiting. So I bought this GMT Master 2. I bought this for 15K. Within 3 months, it went up to 28K, and I think it's pretty much holding that now, 28K, which is an incredible investment. And of course, you've got stocks and SP 500 and so on and so forth. Diversify across a lot of things. If watches interest you, go for that. If handbags interest you, go for that as well, okay? But have small portions in a whole bunch of different things. Sweet, so those are all my income streams currently from 1 to 9. And I just want to reiterate, I see lots of people that like,
oh yeah, I'm starting an agency and I'm starting an Amazon FBA business, I'm starting an e-com store.
Do not diversify your income streams until you are making at least 10K a month with just one. Now, if you ask me and call me biased, I would recommend starting a marketing agency. I truly believe that it's the quickest way to scale to 10K a month. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but it's going to be quicker and more effective than any other online business model out there right now. Better than Amazon, better than e-commerce, better than any of those things. You don't need to invest money up front apart from into your education, and you just need to put in your time, and it rewards up front. You can literally learn how to start a social media marketing agency today from the free content that I put out on YouTube. Sweet, that's it from me. Subscribe for more. Cheers.